Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as part of today's video, we'll discuss one more interview question from Cypress, that is, how does Cypress handles child tab? Or else you'll get a question like, if you will click on a particular button in your application and it will open in a separate tab. So how does Cypress handles this kind of scenario? So to understand, like before going into the code, you have to understand like how this feature will look like. Okay. So see, as you can see in the screen, this is a demo website where there is a button called, or you can say link is there. Click here, and after clicking on that click here link, it is opening a new tab which contains the text called as new window. Okay, so as we all know that Cypress will not able to handle this kind of scenario because Cypress always able to execute all of its code in a single DOM structure, like a single tab. It will not able to do any kind of operation in any separate tab. So how does Cypress handle this kind of scenario? See, if I'll open this particular CSS of this element, it's present under div class, and the tag name is div and the class name is example. And after that, there is a link. If you click on this particular link, it will open this slash window slash new URL, and this is the text that is click here. Okay, so what exactly I will do? How does Cypress handles it, and what does like Cypress do have a workaround? I will just remove the attribute value of target, and after that, if will perform any operation, like if you perform the click operation, you can see previously it was opening in the other tab, but right now it opened in a same tab. It did not open the child tab, or you can say it did not open the content in another tab. Okay, so this is the workaround that Cypress will follow during the automation as well. Whenever you click on the particular link while runtime, so during the runtime, it will remove this target attribute value so that it will open in the same tab, and it will be Cypress will be able to perform any operation in the new tab. Okay, so we will understand. So see, first of all, I will find the CSS of this element. See, this is present on that class, so obviously you can use div dot example. Okay, and if you go to the code, I've already written the code just to save the time. I've just opened this particular URL, the application that I've shown you. After that, I've created a CSS of that element, that link, that is dot example a, which because that is present under the anchor tag. And this is the invoke method by using which we can able to remove that target attribute value during the runtime. Okay, and it performed the click operation. After removing the operation target value attribute, obviously it will open in the same tab. Okay, so whatever the things that I've done manually, this is how you can do using automation. So this is a workaround that Cypress follows. After that, clicking operation, just we are verifying whether Cypress does navigate it to the new URL, that is slash windows slash new. So if you see, if I click on the this link, it is navigating to the new URL, that is slash windows slash new, and it is having a text called as new window. That also we are verifying. So cy.content, it is verifying new window is there, it should be visible. And after that, using the cy.go back, it's again going back to the parent URL, and it is again verifying that whether the URL should include slash window or not. Okay, so this is how you can able to handle, like Cypress does have a workaround to handle this kind of scenario. And you know, in Selenium we have a method called driver.switch2.window, but in Cypress we don't have any method like that. So this is the way that how you can handle this kind of scenario. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I will meet in the next video with a new interview question from Cypress. Till then, goodbye.